Hello friends, welcome to my channel Code GP. Today let's learn about the iterator interface in Java. The iterator interface is a fundamental part of Java's collections framework and is widely used to navigate and manipulate collection elements in a controlled and efficient manner. So let's dive into code demo for iterator interface in Java. Let's write code example for iterator interface in Java. Okay friends, let's create array list with name colors. New array list, diamond operator, constructor, name of the interface list, generic type string, list of generic type string, name of the list is colors. Okay, let's import the list interface and class array list. Save the code. Now let's add colors in our array list of name colors. Okay, colors dot using the add method, red. Now I want to add 3 more colors, so I am copying this line 3 times. Now friends, just change the color name here. Save the code. Now let's create an iterator for the list colors. Okay, so type name of the interface iterator, generic type string equal to colors dot iterator. Select the method from the list. So friends, what we have done here, we have created iterator. The name of the iterator is iterator for the colors list using the iterator method. Okay, now friends, let's create one while loop to iterate through the list colors. Okay, so let's proceed. While iterator, let's call the hasNext method. Okay, now friends, use the next method to retrieve the next element from the list and store it in the color variable. Okay, so let's do that. String variable is color, variable name is color, iterator dot next. Now use the system.out print ln method, which will print the current color to the console. Okay, so let's proceed. color list name is color. Okay. Now friends, if we have to remove the green color, then uh, how can we remove that? Using the if statement. Okay, so check if the current color is green, and if it is green, then remove it using the remove method of the iterator. Okay, so let's do that. If color dot equals green, condition body iterator dot call the method remove, iterator dot remove, select the method from the list, correct the spelling here, I have misspelled here, equals. Okay, save the code. Now friends, let's write the code to print the list after removing the color green. Okay, so let's continue. Pass the message as after removing, after removing, name of the color is green, give here single inverted comma colon plus pass the name of the list as colors, complete the double inverted comma. Okay friends, so I do hope that you understand till line number 23. So friends, now we have done with our code. Our code example is complete now. It's time to get our output. So friends, let's run our code to get the output to the console. So friends, here is our output. You can see that this is our original list with which we have defined just before some time, and this is our updated list after removing the green color, which is red, blue and yellow. Okay, so friends, this is all about how to use iterator interface in Java. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel Code JP. Please help to grow my channel. Thanks for watching the video. Keep coding. Happy coding. Thank you once again.